Hi everybody, inscribe a circle in a triangle tangent to all three sides of the triangle, and the sides are 13, 14, 15 respectively as you seen in the figure here. The problem is to find the area of the circle. Please give your trial to this question and keep watching for the solution. For the solution, first we need to learn a theorem that I will tell you now. There is a circle and two lines externally tangent to the circle meet at any point. Let the radius of the circle be r and the center be o, and draw the radius to the tangential point. And where the tangent meet, let be name a. Now when the radius meet to the tangential point, name be b and C. We know that radius is perpendicular to the tangent, so we can draw the perpendiculars and meet OA. Now in triangle AOB and triangle AOC, OB is equals to OC, radius of the circle. Angle OBA is equal to angle OCA, right angle triangle. OA is a common line. Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOC by RHS rule or right angle hypotenuse side rule. So, AB is equal to AC by CPCT. Now we know that this theorem, so we can do this in our triangle. So there is our triangle and there is a inscribed circle. Now draw the radius from the center O to the tangential point. We know that they are perpendicular, so we can draw the perpendiculars. Now join the vertices and the center of the circle. We know by the theorem we can say that these lines are equal, that I will show in there here. Now we can do this in our triangle. So there is our triangle and we divide it into three parts: the pink region, the yellow region and the brown region. Let the name be A of equal sides and another be B and another C. We know that AB is equal to 14, AC is equal to 13, BC is equal to 15 as our sides of the triangle. Now the area of triangle is equals to 1 by 2 times B plus C times R. It is a simple rule of area to find the area of the circle. And same is find the area of pink triangle is equals to 1 over 2 times B plus C times R, and area of yellow triangle is equals to 1 over 2 times C plus A times R. Now we can add these all areas, so we can get this, and we know that area of these all is equals to area of triangle, so we can simply simplify that and we get at this point where r times 2 times whole a plus b plus c by 2. Now we know that a plus b plus c by 2 is a semi perimeter, so in our case that is area of triangle is equals to 2 times 21 times radius. So we can say that area of triangle is equals to 42 r, where r is the radius of the circle. We make this equation 1. Now we come back to the triangle and I will show you a formula. The formula is used to find the area of the circle when all the sides are given. Here S is the semi perimeter of the circle triangle, where A plus B plus C by 2, and in our case that is equal to 21. So we can now know that the semi perimeter, and now we put the values. So area of triangle is equals to under root 21 times 21 minus 15, 21 minus 14 minus 13. And now we simplify that, so we can get area of triangle is equals to 84. Now we know all the things that we have to find for the answer. Area of triangle is equals to 42r, that is our equation 1, and the area of triangle is equals to 84 that we find from the Heron's formula. So 84 is equals to 42r, so r is equals to 2. Now we find the area of the circle. Area of circle is equals to pi r square, as we all know. So area of circle is equals to pi times 2 square. So area of circle is equals to 4 pi, that is approximately equal to 12.57.